and welcome to my channel. This is Photography Tips, where I explain stuff in a very simple manner. Today's topic is ISO, and ISO can make your image conveniently brighter, but if you crank it up too high, you will get a lot of noise. Why is that so, you may ask? Well, it has to do with physics. I'm gonna spare you the details, just, remember, high ISO noise. So how do you adjust your ISO to get the most out of it? And by most, I mean the best image quality. It's quite simple. The lower the number, the less noise, and you automatically get a better image quality. So whenever possible, just keep it down to 100. But what if it's too dark outside and you really need to crank up your ISO? Well, first of all, try to find out the threshold of your camera. Every camera has a certain point where the noise just gets into the way, and I really mean you just see noise. So try to find out what that kind of number is for your camera. Just take images with your camera in different kind of ISOs and find out what is the point where it just looks, not repairable. I usually don't go over 800, and if I have to go above that, that's only when I really have no other choice, and I'm already preparing to fix all that noise in Lightroom later. But just keep in mind, it's not always possible, so always try to keep the ISO as low as it's good for your camera. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. And let me know if you like this kind of quick photography tip thing, because I'm kind of trying to do this a thing.